guys, it's Peanut MCBE here today. I want to get a few shout outs to a couple things. This is going to be episode 3 of our MCP Let's Play. So, if you guys want. So, I didn't put this part on YouTube yet, but today's probably my triple upload. And a shout out to Rolling Thunder and Finley. Now, they are awesome. The guy is awesome. There's Tim. He's amazing. He gave a shout out to us, me and Shamer, and shout out to Shamer too. He gave a big shout out to us. So, shout out to them, and they are amazing. You need to go there. Shout out to Death Panda, my cousin. Shout out to Shamer Gamer. You should go to his link below. Oh, I don't have the link. Dang it. But, yeah. So, but last video, last few videos, I, showed you how to cheat with torches, but now I wasn't online then, but I mined some lapis and some. I didn't mine the diamonds. I did a little cheat sheet because I am funny. Not that much. I'm not that funny. Okay, my volume's all the way up. But Shamer Gamer, he's an amazing dude. He's one of my best friends in 5th grade so far. Yeah. So when these flowers represent my growth. Basically, me and my mother, we just love these flowers and all that. My mom said I can post this on YouTube. So, ooh, it's like a little Huggies pie. Walla walla, walla walla, walla walla. Oh, it's a pony! I want a pony, but I can't get the pony crew. Freaking pony. Okay. Oh, great. Right when I hit the ground. So I'm gonna have a triple upload today, because Mom said it can. And this is just a short video. So hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and go to Rolling Thunder. I guarantee you have fun. Me and my friends won a lot of stuff there. It's fun. You guys need to go there. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace, pandas.